Notations of mathematics. Our learning starts from arithmetic mathematics. We begin with counting. We are introduced. First lesson of mathematic learning by recognizing the digits. We call them natural numbers, and symbol that represents are called digits. However, the digits are written differently in different part of the world, but we will focus only on internationally accepted digits of the decimal systems. Mathematical notations and math symbols. Mathematical notation consists of symbols for representing operations. There are many ways to represent unspecified numbers, relations, or mathematical objects. Such symbols or notations are widely used and internationally accepted to be used in mathematics, science, and engineering. Here, we summarize the commonly used notations and explain them wherever necessary in this video. Mathematical numbers and digits. 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9. Please note, 1 to 9 are natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are called digits. There is one more digit, the 10th digit, that is 0, 0, which was introduced much later to represent empty space or for nothing, although the counting was there beyond 9. Mathematics symbols. Arithmetic operators. Plus, minus, times, divided by. Plus, plus, or. Process of adding. A plus B read as a plus B. Also denote as positive for numbers. Note: each number in counting is plus 1 to last number. That is 3 is 2 plus 1, and 4 is 3 plus 1, and so on. Minus, minus, subtraction, or it is additive inverse. Like 3 is 4 minus 1. A minus b read as a minus b, also denote as negative for number, just as minus 5. Times is multiplication sign. Times or product. Like as we use it in 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Divided by is division sign and denote division, which is inverse of multiplication. 6 divided by 3 is 2, or 6 divided by 2 is 3. As we moved from handwriting to typewriter to calculators and to keyboard, some addition notations for arithmetic operators are used and accepted, such as asterisk, asterisk. On keyboard denotes multiply. Note 2 times 3 is equal to 6. A asterisk b read as a multiply by b. Point or dot denotes multiply in some cases, as 2.3 is equal to 6. Parenthesis or bracket. Sometime brackets. Parentheses are used in expression to show multiplication, like 3 in bracket x plus 5. Slash. Division slash on keyboard denotes and read as is divided over instead of divided by. Like 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Horizontal bar. Division shown by a horizontal line. Note 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3 is same as 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Horizontal bar when numbers are written above and below it. Is also used to show fractions such as 4/5, or where both a and b are real numbers. Vertical bar or vertical line is also divided by. Divides like a divides b. Vertical line with slash means does not divide a does not divides b. Equals, equal, equality or sign. To show resultant of operation. Math symbols. Powers and roots. A superscript b. Power is denoted by superscript and is read as a to the power of b. A caret b. Or caret also denote a to the power of b. Square root symbol of square root. Or square root x is read as square root of x. Square root followed by with horizontal line. Square root with a horizontal bar. Delimit the width of its argument. Such as square root 6 minus 2 read as square root of 6 minus 2. Cube root or x is read as cube root of x. X equals x to the power of 1/3. Fourth root or x is read as fourth root of x. X equals x to the power of 1/4. Th root, nth root, or square root is read as nth root of x, n root of x. Equals x to the power of 1 divided by n. Math symbols, comparison. Equals, not equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Equals equal, sign. Denotes equality. Not equal to, not equal. Denotes inequality. Or not equal. Almost equal to it is common. To denote approximate equality. Less than. Denotes strictly inequality. And comparison. Less than or equal to, less than or equal to. Denotes two outcomes. Such as x equals. And a some quantity. Greater than. Denotes strictly inequality. Greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Denotes two outcomes. And both are true. Math symbols, comparison. Double less than symbol. Read as much less than, denotes strictly inequality. Double greater than symbol. Means much greater than, denotes strictly inequality. Less than equals, less than over equal to, denotes less than or equal to. This is not common now. Greater than equals, greater than over equal to, denotes greater than or equal to, not common. Less than not equal to. Less than but not equal to, denotes strictly inequality. Greater than not equal to. Greater than but not equal to. Denotes strictly inequality. Proportionality sign of proportionality proportional to. More math symbol. To represent statements. Right arrow with double line means imply. Left arrow with double line means is implied by. Double arrow with double lines means imply and is implied by, or is equivalent to. Triple bar, identical to, denotes identity for all values. Triple bar with slash. Not identical to, denotes not an identity. For bars. For bars denote strictly equivalent to. Colon equals sign. Colon equal denotes equality. By definition. Def over equals sign. denotes equal by definition. Math symbols made with dots. 1 dot. Dots denotes multiplication. Dot product. Colon or 2 dots. 2 dots denote ratio. Therefore, triple dots denotes therefore. Inverted triple dots denotes since or because. For dots or double colon. For dots denotes proportional to. Double colon with line. For dots and line denotes geometric proportion. Double colon with double lines. 2 dots and equal to denotes geometrical equality. Math symbols. Brackets. Parenthesis. There are many ways the brackets are used. Parenthesis or small brackets. Parenthesis used to define the sub-expression in the expressions. It is also used in functional notation as f(x) for function f of variable x. It can denote a product, as in a, b plus c. Parenthesis with comma denotes ordered pair as x, y. Big parenthesis with 2 variables denotes binomial coefficient. Read as n choose k. Factorial n divided by factorial k times factorial n minus k. Square bracket. Middle bracket with comma. Braces or set bracket or middle bracket curly bracket. Vertical bars enclosing a variable. Vertical bracket or modulus, x denotes absolute value of x. Math symbols, Blackboard bold notations such as R, P, Q, Z, N, C. This style of writing. Bold symbols on a blackboard. In a maths classes. Commonly used to represent. Blackboard bold N denotes set of real number. Blackboard bold Z denotes set of integers. Blackboard bold Q denotes set of rational number. Blackboard bold R denotes set of real number. Blackboard bold C denotes set of complex number. You may also notice sometimes the Blackboard bold letters with superscript. Blackboard bold are with superscript plus. R plus denotes set of positive real number. Blackboard bold N with subscript 0. N0 denotes set of natural number with 0. Blackboard bold Z with superscript plus. Z plus denotes set of positive integers. Blackboard bold Q with superscript plus. Q plus denotes set of positive rational number. Blackboard bold C with superscript plus. C plus denotes set of positive complex number. Math symbols, factorial capital sigma capital pi. Factorial sign. Factorial n means factorial n equals 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times n. Capital sigma. Summation or capital sigma notation is for sum over from 2. Capital sigma underscore a to b of k. Summation, sum over from a to b of k. Capital pi. Product or capital pi is for product over from 2. Capital pi b to of k product or product over from b to of k. Math symbols. Used in the geometry. Two inclined lines as angle or ABC means angle at vertex B. Between lines. BA and BC lines. Perpendiculars with an arc. Is right angle. Inclined line with arc. Measured angle. Angle in opposite direction means reverse angle. Angle sign with arc is spherical measured angle. AB under an arrow means line or infinite line AB. Sometimes we see AB within square brackets. AB under horizontal bar means a line segment from A to B, or just AB. Two lines intersecting at right angle means perpendicular to. Two vertical parallel lines means parallel to. Two vertical parallel lines with a slash denotes not parallel to. Equals under Tidal means congruent to. Degree for measurement of angle, one full rotation equals 360 degree. Prime denotes unit. Minutes. Note 1 degree equals 60 minutes. Double prime denotes unit, second. Note 1 minute equals 60 seconds. A figure depicting a triangle denotes. Triangle ABC denotes a triangle with vertices A, B, C. A figure depicting a right-angle triangle is right-angle triangle. A figure depicting a square is a square. A figure depicting a rectangle is rectangle. A figure depicting a parallelogram denotes parallelogram. Math symbols used in set theory. Braces or middle bracket. Set bracket. The set of elements written inside the bracket. As x1, x2, x3. Set of elements x1, x2, x3. X with vertical line, subset of element x such that. Set membership symbol, set member, or read as is an element of the set. No set membership symbol, not a set member, or is not an element of the set. This symbol /0 is empty set or null set, a set with no element. Blackboard bold U denotes an universal set. Xi, small letter xi, denotes also an universal set. A prime denotes the complement of set A. Union set symbol union set, or a union set symbol B means a set of elements that is made of all elements of set A and set B. Mathematical intersection symbol intersection, or a mathematical intersection symbol B means a set of elements that belong to set A and set B. Equals equality, or A equals B means that set A and set B have same members. Proper subset symbol. Set inclusion, or subset of A. Proper subset symbol B means A is a subset of B. Subset symbol, subset of A. Subset symbol B means A is a subset of B. With equality. Subset symbol with a slash, not a subset of. Proper superset symbol, superset, or superset of A. Proper superset symbol B means A is a superset of B. Superset symbol, superset of A. Superset symbol B means A is a superset of B. With equality. Superset symbol with a slash, not a superset of. n within bracket A. Number of element in set A. Note the brackets in following. A comma B within square bracket. The closed interval. X set membership symbol real number, a less than or equal to X less than or equal to B. A, B, the interval, X set membership symbol, a less than or equal to X less than B. A, B, the interval, X set membership symbol, A less than X less than or equal to B. A, B, the open interval, X set membership symbol, A less than X less than B. A times B Cartesian product set of all ordered pair from A to B. A times B equals EA, B, A set membership symbol A B set membership symbol B. A delta B. Symmetric difference, element of A and B, but not of A mathematical intersection symbol B. Math symbols. Used in various mathematical functions. F:(A) right arrow to B. F is a function under which each element of set A has an image in set B. F:(X) right arrow from bar Y. F is a function under which X is mapped to Y. F in bracket X. The image of X under the function F. F superscript -1. The inverse function of the function F. F small circle G. The composite function of F and G. Or function G of function F of X. Small circle. The composite operator. Lim subscript X right arrow A F X. Denotes the limit of F X as X tends to A. Math symbols. Used in calculus. Prime notation. Prime is a Lagrange notation for derivative. If f is a function, f, read as f prime, is the derivative. Double prime notation. Double prime, or f double prime, denotes second derivative of f. A dot over a letter denotes Newtonian notation. Commonly used for derivative. If x is a function, dot, read as x dot, is the derivative of x. Two dots over a letter or function denotes Newtonian notation for second derivative. If x is a function, x double dots is second derivative of x. dy over dx is a Leibniz notation, which is, read as dy over dx, for derivative of y. With respect to x, d square y over dx square is a Leibniz notation. Read as d2y over dx square, for the second derivative of y. With respect to x, f double prime of x, the second derivative of function f of x. With respect to x, f superscript n of x, the n-time derivative of y. With respect to x, d superscript n y over dx superscript n denotes the n-time derivative of y. With respect to x, indefinite integral denotes an antiderivative. For example, indefinite integral x square equals cubed over r3 plus indefinite integral subscript a and superscript b of k is a definitive integral or integral with subscript and superscript. For example, definitive integral subscript a and superscript b of x square denotes definitive integral from a to b of x square. Definitive integral from 2 of x square equals cubed minus a cubed divided by 3. Double indefinite integral. Double integral is for integration of function of two variables. Three-time indefinite integral. Triple integral is for integration of the function of three variables. Contour indefinite integral. Contour integral or integral over a closed curve. Contour double indefinite integral. Area or surface integral or double integral over a closed curve, which leads to the area of the closed path. Contour three-time indefinite integral. Volume integral or triple integral over a closed body, which leads to the volume of the body. dy dx is a Leibniz notation for derivative of y with respect to x. Delta y over delta x is for delta gradient. Also, a tangent or slope. Delta y over delta x is for partial derivative. Delta y over delta x is for functional derivative. Math symbols for some other functions. Exponential function, small letter e, is used for the base of natural logarithms. E equals 2.7182818. E to the power of x, or exp of x, the exponential function of x. Logarithmic functions. Log subscriptor of x, logarithm to the base of x. Ln x, the natural logarithm of x. Log to the base e of x. Lgx, log subscript 10 of x, logarithm of x to the base of 10. Math symbols. Trigonometric functions. Circular functions. Sin x, sine of x, is a trigonometric function of x. Cos x, cosine of x, is a trigonometric function of x. Tan x, tangent of x, is a trigonometric function of x. Reciprocal circular functions. Sec x, secant of x, is a trigonometric function of x. Cosec CSCx, cosecant of x, is a trigonometric function of x. Cot x, cotangent of x, is a trigonometric function of x. Inverse circular functions. Sin superscript -1, sin superscript -1x, sine inverse of x. Cos superscript -1, cos superscript -1x, cosine inverse of x. Tan superscript -1, tan superscript -1x, tangent inverse of x. Inverse reciprocal circular functions. Sec superscript -1, sec superscript -1x, secant inverse of x. Cosec superscript -1, CSC superscript -1x, cosecant inverse of x. Cot superscript -1, cot superscript -1x, cotangent inverse of x. Hyperbolic functions. Sin hyperbolic sine, read as sin. Cosh hyperbolic cosine. Tan hyperbolic tangent. Sec hyperbolic secant. CSCH hyperbolic cosecant or cosec. Cof hyperbolic cotangent. Inverse hyperbolic functions. Sin superscript -1, hyperbolic sine inverse, cosh superscript -1, hyperbolic cosine inverse, tan superscript -1, hyperbolic tangent inverse, sec superscript -1, hyperbolic secant inverse, CSCH superscript -1, hyperbolic cosecant inverse, cosec superscript -1, coth superscript -1, hyperbolic cotangent inverse. Math symbols used in the study of probability. A, B, C. Events. A union B. Union of the events A and B. A intersection B. Intersection of the events A and B. P, A. Probability of the event A. A prime. Complement of the event A. P, just that of B. Probability of the event A. Conditional on the event B. X, Y, R. Random variables. X, Y, R. Values of the random variables X, Y, R. NCR. The number of combinations of R objects. From n equals factorial n divided by factorial R times factorial n minus R. NPR. The number of permutations of R objects from n equals factorial n divided by factorial n minus R. X1, X2. Observations. F1, F2. Frequencies with which the observations x1, x2 occur. P, x. Probability function P, x equals x of the discrete random variable x. P1, P2. Probabilities of the values x1, x2 of the discrete random variable x. Math symbols. Statistic. F(x). Value of the probability density function of a continuous random variable x. F(x). Value of the cumulative distribution function of a continuous random variable x. E(x). Expectation of the random variable x. E(g) x. Expectation of function g of x. Var x. Variance of the random variable x. Math symbols. Statistic. G subscript xt. Probability generating function for the discrete random variable x. M subscript x of t. Moment generating function for the random variable x. N, mu variance sigma square. Normal distribution with mean mu and variance sigma square. B, n, p. Binomial distribution with parameters n and p. Geo, p. Geometric distribution with parameter p. Po, lambda. Poisson distribution with parameter lambda. Mu. Population mean. Sigma square. Population variance. Sigma. Population. Standard deviation. X bar. Sample mean. X bar equals 1 divided by n times sigma from I equals 1 to n. Xi. S square. Unbiased. Estimate of population. Variance from a sample. S square equals 1 divided by n minus 1. Sigma from I equals 1 to n x I minus x bar whole square. Rho. Product moment correlation coefficient. For a population. R. Product moment correlation coefficient. For a sample. Phi. Probability density. Function of the standardized normal variable z tilde n, 0, 1. Phi. Cumulative distribution function of the standardized normal variable z tilde n, 0, 1. H0, H1. Null and alternative hypotheses. For a hypothesis test. Math symbols used in vector study. Bold A. The vector A. AB under right arrow. The vector represented in magnitude and direction by the directed line segment AB. Bold A. A unit vector in the direction of A. Bold I, J, K. Unit vectors in the directions of the Cartesian coordinate axes x, y, z are in bar bracket or A. Denotes the magnitude of the vector A. Bar bracket of AB under right arrow. AB the magnitude of vector AB. A dot B. The scalar product of vector A and vector B. A times B. The vector product or cross product of vector A and vector B. Math symbols of the complex number I. The imaginary unit I square equals minus 1. Z a complex number Z equals x plus I y equals r cosine theta plus I sine theta. Re z. The real part of z, re z equals x. In z. The imaginary part of z, in z equals y. Z. The modulus of z, z equals square root x square plus y square. Arg z. The argument of z, arg z equals theta where minus pi is less than theta is less than equals pi. Z asterisk the complex conjugate of z, x minus I y. Math symbols. Matrices. M. A matrix M. M superscript minus 1. The inverse of the non-singular square matrix M. Det M. M in bar brackets. The determinant of the square matrix M. I denotes an identity or unit matrix. Math symbols. In sequences. A. The first term of a sequence or series. D. The common difference of an arithmetic sequence. A plus D. Second term U2 of an arithmetic sequence. UN. The nth term of a sequence or series. A plus n minus 1 times D. Sn. The sum of the first n terms of a sequence U1 plus U2 plus U3. Sn equals n divided by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 times D. A. The first term of a sequence or series. R. The common ratio of a geometric sequence. A times r. Second term u2 of an geometric sequence. Un the nth term of a geometric sequence. A times r to the power of n minus 1. Sn the sum of the first n terms of a sequence u1 plus u2 plus u3 plus un. Sn equals a times r to the power of n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. S infinity the sum to infinity terms of a geometric sequence. S infinity equals a divided by r minus 1 when r is less than 1. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch other video by subscribing this channel. Thank you.